The Quick Review command makes it really easy to process through a bunch of photos. Let me show you how fast it is to use. First up, I'm in my All Photos view, and I'm just going to open up the filter panel for a second. And from Quick Filters, I'm going to choose Need to Organize. This is going to show me all the pictures that I've taken for the last 90 days that I haven't yet rated or flagged. This way, I'm only looking at pictures that I haven't yet processed. I'll choose a starting point here and simply tap the button and jump right into Quick Review. Now, it's as simple as using swiping gestures. If I swipe to the right, that's a keeper. If I swipe to the left, it's a reject. And so I can go very quickly through my pictures, finding good photos. I can tap between. I think I like this one better. And that one's just really about the same. This one's better, so swipe to the right, and then swipe to the left to leave behind. It's really easy here to step through and see things, and quickly decide which ones you want to keep. If you double tap, it's also going to mark it as a pick. Now what's cool here with this quick collection applied is as I rate images, they start to disappear because it's removing them since they've already been rated. But now I could just go through, swipe to the right, and then if I see something I don't want, I'll just swipe to the left to mark it as a reject. You can of course skip and go forward too. Now, if you find something that as you're looking at it, you realize is a little bit more time to apply a decision to, you can actually drag up or down to assign star ratings. This makes it easy to be a little bit pickier as you're going. And so if you like to, you can actually be super specific as you go here. But these touch-based gestures really speed things up. Once you're all done, just tap the X button and exit, and you're back where you left off. Now, the use of that quick filter collection there is up to you if you want to use it, but I just find it's really useful because I could really see which ones I still need to process, and I'm not reviewing photos that I've already marked.